The dad seahorse is the one who has the babies. Seahorses swim upright, not side to side like most fish. They have curly tails they use to hold on to seaweed. Gray whales undertake one of the longest migrations of any mammal, traveling up to 12,000 miles between Arctic feeding grounds and Mexican breeding grounds. Unlike many reptiles, turtles cannot extend their tongues and have beaks instead of teeth. Caterpillars have 6 small eyes on each side of their head that detect light but do not form images. Hermit crabs travel in colonies. Hermit crabs can live more than 30 years in the wild. Many pufferfish species are also extremely toxic, containing tetrodotoxin, a substance up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. The Japanese spider crab is the largest crab species with a leg span up to 4 meters, 13 feet. Giant squids have eyes as large as basketballs, among the largest in the animal kingdom. Juvenile blue tangs are bright yellow and change to blue or purplish as they mature. Starfish move using hundreds of tiny tube feet on their underside. Lobsters have blue blood due to copper in their hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin in humans. They use their antennae to feel their surroundings. There are over 4,700 species of frogs found on every continent except Antarctica. Dolphins are super smart. They can solve problems and play games. They talk to each other with clicks, squeaks, and whistles. Walruses primarily feed on benthic invertebrates like clams, mussels, and sea cucumbers, but can also hunt fish and seals occasionally. Crabs are arthropods with 10 legs, 5 pairs, including 2 big claws called pincers that help them catch food and protect themselves. Hammerhead shark live in warm oceans and can grow very big, up to 20 feet long. The fastest fish include sailfish, marlin, and tuna, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour. Small alligators hatchling eat insects, crabs, crayfish, small fish, frogs, snails, and many other small prey. Orcas are cosmopolitan, found in all the world's oceans from Arctic to Antarctic waters and tropical seas. The male anglerfish has an extraordinarily well-developed sense of smell, allowing it to locate females by detecting pheromones in the murky ocean. Spider crab is a helpful cleaner of the ocean because it eats dead plants and animals. Hippos play an important ecological role by transferring nutrients from land to aquatic ecosystems. Female crocodiles exhibit strong parental care by guarding nests and assisting hatchlings to water. Sharks vary greatly in size, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, only about 8 inches long, to the massive whale shark, which can exceed 40 feet in length and weighs several tons. Male ducks perform elaborate dances during mating season, and females choose mates based on these displays. Chameleons live mostly in trees and bushes in warm climates,